welcome back or welcome. If you're new here or didn't watch the last video because it was simply kind of the same video as Jim's, we tore out the engine to give it off to Jim to rebuild, and off to Garage S0 it went. But that's not all we did. We took out the entire rear subframe. Why, you ask? Reinforce it.
Nice.
We did all the ugly stuff, aka the cleaning off camera, because let's be real, it's not really fun to watch us wire wheel for 5 minutes. So, all cleaned up, Jordys sprayed self-etch on it, so it's all ready to go and weld. The last thing we need to do to start welding the plates in is clean up this little fun guy. Again, we're gonna do that off camera because it's not really fun watching the cleaning process, so we'll be right back.
Came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
Voila! Got one.
2.
Sick. Got the welder all plugged in. Not set up yet, but I'm clocking in again.
I'm on the clock and ready to rock!
You ready?
Oh. Right here?
This hole.
This hole?
The hole.
The hole. And then do an edge in this hole.
You know how to fill the holes in?
Yes, I know how to fill a hole.
Alright.
Ow.
You gotta fill it more than that.
You gotta fill that hole,
You
Kylie.
gotta really fill that thing.
High welds?
Yeah.
It's good as I mean, the noise sounds right.
Yeah. Is that all with you?
Alright, Kyle, that sounds
That sounds pretty damn good.
Better.
She's frying bacon over there. It's fine.
You gotta
Put a nice
You
little
gotta
nipple
move
on
it
it.
more like around the hole instead of one just.
Oh, yeah.
You got a nipple.
Yeah, so Kai, as soon as you hear that thing hitting, you just do a little
Little
pull the
swirl.
puddle around.
yeah, nice and slow though.
What'd you buy, dude?
It was on sale.
That's hard.
Pretty sick.
I like,
hard.
I like vests, man. They're easy to work in.
Oh, it's so bad. Ow. Ow.
Kai, stop. I'm gonna do my best Kai impersonation. Was it close?
I'm trying my best.
I'm just a girl.
This is only my fourth time.
So different right now. It's crazy.
Why?
No, like in a good way.
Oh.
It's hard.
Sounded good.
That one sounded way
good.
better, ain't it?
Not that bad.
I welded the plate instead of the hole.
Wait, oh, you did weld the plate, not the hole. Never mind. That's not that good.
This one better auto dim arm. Yeah, it did. You see how I watch it like puddle up where it
Yeah.
fills it in?
You bring it back down.
That was a
See,
good
I
sounding
just
weld.
keep going.
You got it this time?
I know what to
Were you
do.
paying attention?
Yes. I think I got on too heavy, but I filled it in.
It sounded really good, and then it had that little funkiness in between, and then it sounded good again. So I think what you needed to do was just start moving there, because you built it up super high.
Jordy, you couldn't let her just like tack a small pamphlet? That sounded good. I saw some big movement. Yeah, that was good.
That was good.
That was really good. See how it's like properly melted the f in?
Is my hair on fire?
No.
No, it'll feel like that.
Feel it.
Oh, look at that bald spot. Take the glove. Let me know if I'm pulling your hair.
You just do it.
Yeah, that was good. That was really good.
That sounded
great. Or do the other long one while you're in there. Oh, that one looked good,
Not
Kai.
bad, Kai.
Sweat.
No sweat. No sweat.
I think I got the hang of it.
Nice, dude. Not too bad.
Clean that up. I think the only one we gotta fix is this one over here.
Yeah, that one. Nice, Kai. Solid, that's how they're going. That's what I'm talking about right there.
This is a mix between Brian's and Jordys, and mine on the flat. You can really tell which ones are mine.
I feel like a mint right now.
Nice weld short. This one looks like a hot mess. Now on to the rears, but first we gotta makeshift the welding blanket blocking the gas tank. You're confident?
You don't even see the good side, you just got the bad side. Yeah.
We have a lot of welding to do, so I'm just gonna skip to the really fun stuff. Okay, this one isn't as pretty, but let's be honest, the other two aren't either.
Look, they penetrated. That's all.
You're doing your best. That's all that matters,
We
sweetie.
are doing our best.
Tori's gonna kill this one.
We're gonna really try, Kai.
He's laying dimes. Go Jordy. Go Jordy. Go Jordy. Do this.
I was like, why are my hands getting really hot?
Damn.
Damn. Kai, what do you think?
Little gap right there.
I know, I missed a couple little holes.
Pretty good, short.
Compared to that, yeah, it's 10 out of 10.
Alright, now you gotta do around.
Yeah, I gotta stitch the edge.
town.
I can't believe how shitty this one is compared to how good that one is.
It's pretty bad.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. I mean, we'll grind it smooth, but like, pretty bad.
We'll see how it looks on the grinding.
It's still pretty bad.
Jordy said this. Show your hole.
I blew through. That's the only blow through I had though, so it's okay. Let's seam seal it.
We're still learning. No one judge us.
Exactly. But this one's the best one. For
so
sure.
far, yeah.
Yeah. So
Out of
far.
all of them, yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be the
But
best one.
this is the last one, so we'll see. We'll see.
I don't think it's gonna be any better.
Nice. Looks like there was a little bit of a mishap there, but it's fine. Now that the plates are all welded in, which by the way, we totally forgot to mention, the plates in the front and the rear are from Tech 53, which we have a code for, JK5 for 5% off, and no, you're not kidding. The trailing arm reinforcement plate we got from Nils, who also did Jordy's cage, Accurate Fabrication.
He cuts them on a plasma tape. Pretty
Yes,
cool.
pretty f***ing cool. So now all we need to do is grind them down, make them look nice, but we'll save that for tomorrow. It's late. Welcome back to another episode of Ghost Stories. Today we will be grinding away at Jordy's reinforcement plates. We're back. You got this?
Don't worry about me, sweetheart.
Making progress, I see.
Scared me, dude.
Good. I hope I
Couldn't hear you.
Oh, a nice hole.
Dude, you know what, Kai?
Blowout.
Thank God it's done.
You can see the outline of where the glasses were.
I believe it.
That's crazy.
That probably look like sunglass tan, but dirt.
Yeah, clean them up real quick, real good, so I can tap in. Look at that technique.
Wait, do you see my seam sealer technique?
We're gonna use the rest of what's in this can.
If you can get anything out of it.
I think we can. Yeah, no.
Yeah.
isn't doing anything.
Just breathe the air, Kai.
Let that flash. Oh, hit the others. Not my finest work, but it'll do. It will do.
All right, YouTube. Kai has a method, I have a method. Let's see which method works better. Let's do that. See whose is better. And let you guys decide. Well, what side of the car do you want? Do you want the left or do you want the right?
I want the left because it's the not so f***ed up side. I'm gonna do one side just to show you. I'm sorry guys, I can barely reach. Look at that.
Yeah, I see the vision, Kai. Not a big fan of it though.
Let's see how Jordy does it.
I have some big gaps. Then I take a little brush and I'll just go.
Vote in the comments which one you like better. Oh yeah! We followed up with Jordy's method because
It's a little quicker.
and it's his car. But if it was my car,
If it was your car, we'd still be on one piece.
whatever. Now that those are all covered and we're waiting for it to dry, boom! That spotlight did nothing.
0.
But we're gonna be working on the subframe bushings. Jordy, do you want to tell them what bushings you got? Because some people were curious.
It came with the car when I bought the car, if I remember right, but they're IRP. That's what they are, IRP.
And they're blue.
And they are blue, yep.
Unintentionally.
Yeah, I
Or intentionally, I don't know.
I can't remember if I bought them or if they were in the car, but they're just soft. They're poly mounts. So hopefully they're not solid and break stuff.
Yes, so we gotta pop the old ones out. Hopefully they won't be a bitch, but Jordy's got a blowtorch and a hammer just in case.
I'll be back in 10 minutes.
Yeah.
So I guess it is that easy. I'm pleasantly surprised.
Yeah.
3 more to go. No, never heard of girl on fire. Nice job, Jordan.
Thanks, dude.
You lit that bitch on fire. First bushing in so we can see how it goes per usual. Now on to the next. You have to put the bushings first and then the rod right in the middle.
Yeah, I had it wrong. I thought you do a bushing, the rod, and then the other bushing, but that was wrong.
It's alright, you learn something new every day, babe.
I've never put these in. I don't know. You guys can flame me all you want in the comments. I don't care. Tell me my hairline's bad.
Yeah, push that rod through. Don't bend it. I know you're used to it.
That has never happened, world.
I'm just talking out of my ass. Time for the rears. You know what you're doing?
Yeah, I looked it up on Google because these bushings are one's thick lipped, one's small. Google doesn't really provide much info, so anyone needs to know the thick one goes in the bottom. But it all varies depending what bushing kit you get.
Yeah, grunt for me. Time for the rod.
Grease up our rod.
Shove it in the hole! We're going from the bottom?
Nice. Rod's in. Dude.
Well, let's do this one quick. Woo! All new fresh bushings in Jordys Subframe.
Woo!
And they're blue.
Yeah, that was just a coincidence.
Whatever. Jordy's cleaning up for the night because he's tired. So am I. It's been a long day. But we're not done yet.
You sure about that?
Still have more to do to reinforce it.
You sure about that?
We have to do...
Wheel, bearings, and hubs!
See you tomorrow.
You sure about that?
So I lied. We are not doing anything today because Jordy needs to order the wheel bearings. And we can't do the hubs without the wheel bearings because it makes no sense to do that in the order sequence. So I guess we're gonna end the video here. I'm so sorry. We will be back to keep working on Jordy's car. Don't worry, it's not leaving the channel again just yet. Just need to buckle up a few things on the TI. Same with the Miata. But yeah, please like, comment, subscribe. See you guys next week. I have exciting news to share, but stay tuned until then.